very warm welcome to this special broadcast on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the United States of America. In a short while from now, PM Modi will land in the US, and this will be a 3-day visit packed with several engagements. On day one, Prime Minister will hold a bilateral meeting with US President Joe Biden in Delaware, Biden's home state. PM will also participate in an in-person Quad Leaders Summit and hold bilateral meetings with other Quad leaders as well. And on day two, he will be in New York, where he will meet and address the Indian community, meet technology CEOs. And on day three, he will address the Summit of the Future at the United Nations headquarters in New York. In his departure statement, PM Modi said that Quad has emerged as a key group of like-minded countries to work for peace, progress and prosperity in the Indo-Pacific region, and that he will share views of 1/6 of humanity, that is all Indians, at the Summit of the Future, as their stakes in a peaceful and secure future are among the highest in the world. So for the next 1.5 hours, we will focus on the significance of PM Modi's visit to the US, possible takeaways from it, and from the Quad Summit as well. I'm Our comprehensive coverage of PM's visit to the US has just begun. Our correspondents will join us from the US for live updates, and analysts will put all developments into perspective. So India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi will arrive in United States in a short while from now on a 3-day visit. A meeting with his host, President Joe Biden, is the first item on PM's agenda on Saturday. Both leaders are slated to discuss issues of mutual importance as well as those related to global and regional development. Prime Minister Modi will also attend the annual Quad Summit at Wilmington in Delaware, which will provide him an opportunity to interact with his Australian and Japanese counterparts, along with President Biden, on pressing global issues and the Indo-Pacific, as well as conflicts in Ukraine, as well as the Middle East. The Prime Minister will address the Summit of the Future at the United Nations General Assembly in New York on Monday.